What's going on, guys? Ross Minchev here, and in today's video tutorial I'm gonna show you a quick and easy method that you can use as a complete beginner to start making money with affiliate marketing and free Google websites. And on top of that, by the end of the video, I'm gonna show you how to double and triple your affiliate earnings by using artificial intelligence. It's pretty cool video to watch. It's very easy system. You don't have to have any special skills. You don't have to be anyone with prior experience. You don't have to have an email list. You don't even have to spend money. It's a very drag and drop, click here, click there system. You can simply copy and paste the system for your own accounts. So let me share my screen and we can start setting up the system. All right, the very first thing, we are here at this graph and I'm gonna show you how we're gonna use this graph. But before we continue, I have to make a quick disclaimer and warning here. The people who are going to make the most amount of money with this method are going to be the early adopters of the system, because this video is going to be released on YouTube. A lot of people will watch it, and respectively, a lot of people will start setting up the system. In other means, there's going to be a lot of competition. So if you want to make money quick and fast, you got to be the early adopter and act fast, act quick. I'm at a website called trends.pinterest.com. We're not going to use Pinterest, but we're going to use Pinterest trends to predict which niche or category we want to choose in order to make money. In our case, look at the term I have found, prom suits for men. I'm shooting this video on January 31st, and I can see the predictions from last year. As you can see, this is last year, January 31st, 2023. Now it's 2024. The searches for this term have skyrocketed in the middle of the spring, beginning of summer, May, April, because all the proms are happening in this period. So we have huge potential, huge audience who are going to be looking for prom suits, prom dresses, etc. And as you can see throughout the year, this graph is pretty much flat. So now is the time to start setting this up to monetize the audience looking for prom suits. How did I find this offer? Well, if I go back or if I delete this search term right here, I land on trends.pinterest.com and I see this dashboard. And on the left side, what I can see is interests. And I simply clicked interests, and this is what you should do. If you don't want to utilize the prom niche, you can find other niches. So here what I found is I scrolled down and I clicked men fashion. And on the right side, I could see all these categories. And check this out, what I found is this, prom suits for men unique, or prom suits for men, or men prom outfit. You see this rapid, steep incline in the next few months. So now it's January, up until May or April, this goes up and up and up to 100% searches on Pinterest. This is insane. Next step, guess what, guys? What these people are going to do, they're going to go on Google and start searching for prom outfits, prom suits, best men prom suits, or best girl dresses for prom. So now we have to utilize their searches. And for that purpose, I'm going to open a free website called medium.com. This is a website that allows you to write free blog posts, and these blog posts are very likely to be ranked on Google. Now, it's not going to happen overnight, so that's why I'm showing you this 4 or 5 months in advance, so you can start setting it up. So eventually and hopefully you can start ranking on Google. But I'm going to show you how you can rank faster using AI, and how AI will actually help you write all the articles, because now we're going to write an article to help people find best suits for their prompts. So on medium.com, we click here at the top right corner, write. And as you can see, this is a place where you write an article. And our article is going to be 5, let's say 5. I'm going to show you how I come up with these titles. 5 best prom suits for men 2024. Or 5 best prom suits 2024 for men. Or actually, let's put 2024. So it's recent. So people know this is recent. And guess what, guys? When you have trend that is just happening once a year, like this one, Holden, like this, with upsurge of searches in just a short period of time, meaning if I put 2024 or even April 2024, Google will prioritize this search because it's recent, it's new, so it's going to show new trends to the searches or the people who search on Google. So now you have to start crafting the article. You have to actually order the suits, number 1, number 2, number 3, and explain to people why these are trendy suits. You have to do some research online to find the trendy suits, but you can also use AI, and this is what we're gonna use in this video. So I'm gonna open ChatGPT. This is an AI artificial robot that is going to write everything for us. It's chat.openai.com. And in here, I'm gonna tell the bot to write me a blog article about 5 trendy prom suits for men. Short and clear, that's it. And I'm gonna hit enter. And let's see, 5 trendy prom suits for men in 2024. And as you can see, the tool is pretty smart. And now it starts naming the suits. Velvet Splendor. Okay, so now we're gonna use these keywords. I'm gonna show you, this is pretty interesting. You gotta be very careful. We want to match this keyword with an affiliate offer, which I'm gonna show you how you can get for free to make money. All right, and just like that, in a couple of seconds, we already have a done for us article from ChatGPT that names all these 5 trendy suits. Now, what I recommend, you spin the text, give it your own twist, so it's not purely from the AI, so Google will not recognize it. Just change some wording. You got the framework, you have to change it a little bit. Now, what we need to do, I'm not gonna do it now to just save time. I'm actually gonna scroll down, I'm gonna click this icon to copy the entire article. I'm gonna go back right here to medium.com and I'm simply gonna paste this article, boom. Now I'm gonna delete all of these unnecessary hashtags. Number 1, I can actually change the title with 5 trendy prom suits for men in 2024. I'm gonna highlight and paste it right here, boom. All right, Velvet Splendor, we have 4 Finesse, we have this one Classic with a Twist. All right, the logic is as following. People will find this article on Google, they will start reading it, they will read about the Velvet Splendor suit, and guess what? They will want to see how it looks like and they might buy it. So we have to provide it with a picture and the actual suit so we can make a lot of money, because these suits, some of these suits, they cost like $5,000-$10,000. So if someone buys the suit, we can have a pretty good chunk of money as an affiliate commission. Now, obviously, guys, I have to warn you, this is not a method that is gonna make you rich overnight. It's gonna take time and it might not even work. It depends on your niche, depends on how many people set up the same system. So my advice is take this as an example. Find another niche or use this niche, but like I said, act quick. Or find a different category. I don't know, maybe surfing, because summer people will start looking for surfing gear, or maybe for beach outfits, because in the summer people will start going to the beach. You got the point. So now, how do you actually make money? Beneath each of these categories, Velvet Splendor, 4 Finesse, a Classic with a Twist, what we're gonna do, we're going to type a sentence below all of these paragraphs, and I'm going to type check trendy suits here. I'm gonna point with a finger like this. I like to use these emojis with an emoji finger because this prompts people to actually click. And now what we're gonna do, we're going to jump over to a website called kit.co. And this website is an affiliate marketing network with hundreds and even thousands of affiliate products. You can bundle into a kit and you can present your links or share your links across the web so you can make a lot of money. So I'm right here at kit.co and I have typed prom suits in the search bar, and right away from the bat I can see all of these suits right here. This one, a black one, a white one, this one, stylish one, purple one, gray one, and look at this one, it's a green one. That's a hot one, just like my neon light behind me. Maybe next time I should wear this one. Should I? Actually, let me know down in the comments below. Should I wear a green suit next time on my next video? That would be fun. Oh, by the way, I forgot to ask you to like the video if you like the information. If you don't like the information, let me know in the comments why you don't like the information. Anyways, next thing you need to do is, let's say I want to bundle this one, the black one with the white one and the green one as well, and maybe this one. I want to bundle them into a group. So people, when they start reading my article here, each and every link will link to this bundle with all of these suits so people can actually make their choice. Let's go back. And how do you do that? So I'm gonna simply click here somewhere on the bottom and we can see all of these suits. And what I do, I hover over the suit I want. Oh, look at this one. this one is fancy. And what I do, I simply click add to kit. Boom. I'm gonna click create a new kit, and the kit is going to be called Best Prom Suits 2024 or trendy, so people have more reasons to click this. Trendy Prom Suits 2024 for men, like that, or something like this. And I'm gonna click next, and boom, I have my first suit in the kit. I'm gonna click add to kit. Boom. All right, so we have this in the kit. Now we want to select more suits. Let's go back. Let's select this one, the purple, and this is a kind of navy blue. Add to kit. We add it to our kit. This one, trendy prom suits. Hit the plus sign, add to kit. Boom. All right. Now what you can do is you can not only add suits, but you can add accessories if your article talks about accessories. But in our case, we don't. So let's try this one. Add to kit. Prom. Boom, this one looks pretty fancy. Add to kit. And now final step, once you have your kit ready to go, you simply go to your profile right here. View profile. And here is my kit. Trendy Prom Suits 2024 for men. And you click the title. There we go. This is our kit. This is what people will see. And from here, where it says share this kit, I'm going to click this, or actually the three dots, and I'm gonna click copy link to share. Boom, link has been copied. And guess what, guys? I go back to medium.com, and where I left my emoji with the finger, where it says check trendy suits here, I'm going to type check now, exclamation mark, or click here. Click here. Be careful with this click here statement, because some websites don't like this click here. You can type learn more, or something like that, learn more, or check them now, click to see them, click here to see. Let's just leave click here. I like click here. Click here, highlight this text, and see when you highlight, this window pops up, and there is a link icon. Click the link icon, paste your link from kit.co, boom, 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 and there we go. Just like that, you see when I hover over the article, I already see the link to kit.co, and people, when they start reading this article, they're going to be redirected to my kit so they can buy a suit. Now, final step is to actually change this article a little bit like I told you, but to make it a bit more engaging. So what we're gonna do, I'm gonna click somewhere here below the text, or actually right here. I'm gonna hit enter. And you see, I have this plus sign. So what we're gonna do with this plus sign, to make the article much more engaging for our readers, I'm gonna go back to kit.co. And here, what we're gonna do, I'm gonna zoom in on this suit, which looks pretty cool. And I'm gonna take a screenshot. I'm gonna take a screenshot on my screen. So let's highlight everything. Boom, like this. I'm gonna save this on my computer. I'm gonna go back to Medium. And I'm gonna click the plus sign and see this icon, that is icon of an image. I'm gonna click it, and I'm gonna click the one I just took a screenshot of, enter, and boom, guys, check this out. Amazing, right? And do this with all the other suits. Put links all beneath all of these 5 trendy suits. Pastel perfection, pastel, I think, sleek, monochrome, and final thoughts, etc. So delete this. I usually I would highlight this title, and I'm gonna make it bold, so it looks like this. This is gonna be bold, like this. And I'm also gonna make this bold, because this is my affiliate link. Boom. Check trendy suits here. Click here, or click now. Now it's better. You have to, of course, insert your link again. You got the point. But look at this. Now it looks way, way more engaging. You see, 5 trendy prom suits for men in 2024, and they start with a velvet splendor. Of course, you have to find kind of a velvish suit to match your title and your category, and boom, looks pretty cool. And then I'm not gonna do it, but you have to do it through the rest of your article, sprinkle it with images, so it's more engaging for the reader. And our final step is to publish your article. So click publish, this button right here. This is very important. Add topic. The topic is important for Google to determine why is this article important and who this article might be important for. what kind of people would be interested in this article. So make sure to include keywords such as prom 2024, trendy prom dress, but we don't have dresses. These are suits, but you can create a similar article for a dress, prom suit or men's suits, etc. And then you click publish now. Boom. And this is going to be published, and there we go. Boom. My article is ready to go. You see, my account is called Art of Marketing. This is just a demo account for demonstration purposes, but you're going to create your account with either something similar or something different. It's up to you. You can call it trendy topics or something like that. But as you can see, this is the article. We have this image. People come here, they start reading the article, and then they see, check the trendy suits here. They click, and guess what? Boom, they are redirected to this place where they can see these suits. They can click each one of them, and they can either buy them on Amazon or on Walmart or whatever website has these type of suits. And once they do, you're getting paid a commission instantly. The idea here, as you saw, it's very easy to create these articles. It takes just 5 minutes. So the more articles you push, the better chances you have to rank on Google and to start making money. It's not going to happen overnight, like I said, but as you saw, it's very easy. We use AI. AI does everything for us. You don't have to be a copywriter. You don't have to be a developer. You don't have to be anyone special. You simply click with your mouse, set up these articles, and set up more and more articles. The more articles you push out there, the better, like I said. So what you should do next is, if you want to see how we make more money with using only Pinterest and Pinterest affiliate marketing, click this video right here where I explain how to make money with Pinterest and affiliate marketing step by step.